Hi guys, welcome back. This is my second demo and in which I am showing the Canny Cloud also. Here you see it's showing socket 1, socket 2, socket 3 and socket 4 and temperature. Uh, Firstly I need to mute because my time I will ask the Alexa. Uh, in this demo I am going to show that we can use this Alexa powered smart power strip in uh, giving surprise to someone special on special occasions like on birthday, on anniversary. Here I attached the different LED strips with it, and also I attached the disco bulb with this. Here we can use, you can see this attach, you can also attach different things. So I need to show the demo. Alexa, turn on socket 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on socket 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on socket 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on socket 4.
Okay.
Now you see, this is going very beautiful. We need to close. Alexa, turn off socket 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off socket 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off socket 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off socket 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off socket 4.
Okay.
Again we need to try. Alexa, turn off socket 4. Alexa, turn off socket 4.
Okay.
Now you see, everything is closed. Here it's also showing the current temperature. I already showed the demo. I need some just adjustment for devices because when I call for room temperature, it says the room temperature is this. So I'm not going again to call this directive. Here we need to change in our device friendly name. So it will say simple room temperature is this and this. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Kindly share and like this video if you like this. Thanks for watching this.